Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and product insights.
Today, we're diving into the Dirt Devil 5-in-1 portable handheld steamer, hailed as one of the best steam cleaners on the market.
Whether you're tackling kitchen messes or refreshing household surfaces, this little powerhouse promises to deliver. Let's explore why it's creating such a buzz. First off, let's talk about versatility.
The Dirt Devil 5-in-1 isn't just a steamer. It's your ultimate multi-surface cleaning companion. From countertops to bathroom tiles, it handles a variety of surfaces with ease.
What sets it apart are the specialized cleaning tools it comes with, designed for every cleaning challenge you might face.
It's equipped with a bristle brush, grout brush, clothes steamer, flat scraper, and more. Each attachment serves a specific purpose, ensuring no mess goes untreated.
Now, let's talk steam power.
The Dirt Devil gives you precise control over the steam output with its adjustable settings and safety lock. Whether you need a gentle touch for fabrics or a powerful burst for stubborn stains, it's all at your fingertips. Ease of use is another highlight.
Weighing in as lightweight and featuring a no-spill reservoir, it's designed for convenience. No more lugging around heavy equipment or worrying about spills, just effortless cleaning.
Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty effectiveness. The Dirt Devil 5-in-1 harnesses the power of pressurized steam to deep clean without chemicals. It's not just about surface cleanliness, it's about sanitizing and deodorizing your home naturally.
Curious about what others think?
With an average rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars from over 150 reviews, customers appreciate its performance and versatility. Wrapping up, the Dirt Devil 5-in-1 portable handheld steamer stands out as a top contender in the world of steam cleaners.
Whether you're a cleaning enthusiast or simply looking for an effective way to maintain your home, this device delivers. Remember to check the description below for more information and where to get yours.
If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product critiques and insights.
Until next time, happy cleaning!